Today we got a video from Body Cam Takedown, and the title of the video is Woman Uses Fake CPN to Buy a New Car. Instantly regrets it.
Hi ma'am, how are you? Hey, is there an issue with signing for a car or something?
No.
Okay, alright, could you come in here? I think they called about you. Alright, what's going on? How can we help?
Well, we have Asia. She signed up.
We stopped your partner out there too.
My partner.
Yeah, the other guy you came with.
No one's here with me.
Oh, okay.
Here?
There must be a miscommunication then.
I need you to look at the license.
I'm here. I'm here.
Why is she on the phone? Get off of the phone. People are attached to these phones, man.
The police here.
Was that a bad license or a bad?
Something about the license?
Yeah, we believe it is, and we had the bank asked for what's called an SSA 89 form.
Okay.
To verify.
I'm still sitting here.
Okay. Is this all your correct information?
Yes.
Okay. Central 312 a file.
Yeah. Me, I'm just sitting here.
Hey, Brandon.
Yes.
10-4. You're going to be detained for this now because that's a fake license. Do you want to give us the real license and hopefully we can just mitigate everything, or your real ID?
I don't have that on.
You don't have an ID? Okay. Tell you what is your? We can just look you up instead. What is your real last name?
Give me 1 second.
Give you 1 second.
Did she give you
Man.
just that, or did she actually give you a physical copy?
Well, we took a copy of her actual physical.
So you gave this back to her?
Her license? Yeah, we don't have her license.
Okay.
Can we have that license, please?
I don't have it with me.
It's not on in your purse?
No, I don't have it.
When did you? Was it today that?
No. The transaction was. What was tipped off? The transaction occurred on. She did not take possession of the vehicle.
Okay.
I'm texting my boyfriend too.
Okay. What's your last name? Your real last
Brown. B-R-O-W-N.
name? B-R-O-W-N. First name?
Kwanisha. K-W-A-N-I-S-H-A.
K-W-A-N-I-S-H-A. Your middle initial?
K.
K. Is your license or your ID out of Illinois or out of Indiana or another state?
No, it's in Illinois.
Illinois. What's the city that's on your license?
South Holland.
South Holland. Okay.
Yeah, it's something that looks fake down here.
Yeah. I'm gonna step out. Just wait with my partner. Okay.
All right, miss, how's it going? What's your real name?
Kwanisha Brown.
Kwanisha Brown? Okay, so what's going on here today?
You play stupid now.
And said, something about the social and the ID.
Or off or wrong or something? Okay. Did you know that?
Yes.
Okay. Can you stand up for me? Take your
Hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. Do you have any knives or anything sharp or anything that's going to pry or poke me? Is that all right? All right. We're going to have to get a female to search you, okay? Nothing sharp or anything in there?
For a 55-year-old lives here in a White House by herself, or trying to move her against the only one.
What? Central 322. Can I get a female over here to search this person, please? You can see yourself around.
Yeah, so pretty much she used a CPN. Okay, CPNs are what they're really meant for is a lot of times people get a CPN number, which is it's a 9-digit number. It's kind of like your social security number, right? But a lot of times they're given out to people that are either in protective custody or something like that to mask their identity when they're trying to, when they go in the witness protection program or different things like that. And there's some other different use cases where people have CPNs. But what goes on in the criminal side of things with CPNs is, there's certain online websites and stuff like that where people can kind of create these. It's more in depth or whatever, but people can create them and they use them. They get IDs with a name. They try to attach a name to it, and they start off with like your little like BS kind of credit cards and stuff, and try to use those, and then try to get an apartment with it or whatever. Because if they can match it up together and it comes back and it may look legit, it happens. Now it's fraud. Okay, it's fraud, and so you can't do these things. But a lot of times you see people when they're using it fraudulently. Oh my God. You know what I mean, okay? I never said I'm the best speaker, all right? I'm more of an act right type of person. I'm not the best speaker. But anyway, when people use it bad, when criminals use it, a lot of times these people have bad credit, okay? They have bad credit and they're trying to obtain different things because they can't get it under their own social. So they're trying to obtain it under a CPN, and stuff like that. So obviously this is what this lady was doing or whatever the case may be. So, yeah. And sometimes it works, if they build it up correctly and stuff. There's people walking around with houses, banks, loans, credit cards, cars, all of that, not in their real name, under CPNs. If you do it the right way, people can get it done, but they're really meant for like people on witness protection program and stuff like that, though.
You are under this, okay? Right. Why not? Yeah, it's just the flip. The new ones are just they got the little flip on them.
Haven't seen those. Is the Chevy your card?
No, it's my cousin's.
Did you have a job?
No.
She provided these bank statements to you?
Yes.
Okay. Was that online or was that in person? The checks?
That was in person.
In person?
See, so she's opened up banks using the CPN. Opened up bank accounts.
I'll give you a call when you need to.
Okay, thank you.
Did they tell them to respond or should we let them know? Hello, how we doing?
Hi, I'm your research. You're right? Okay, just face the wall. You got anything? No, there's no labels, right? No pockets? Yes, no pockets. Okay. Nothing in your jacket? Lift your hand. Separate your feet. Nothing. See?
Yeah.
You guys want to do all this?
I can't get my phone. It's the blue one right there. On the,
Is your phone? I just gotta make sure it's yours. And
yes. Yes.
this is her phone, right?
Her phone?
Yeah.
I would it's not mine. Okay. It's like I know.
Man, I want to buy the Scooby-Doo wagon, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so they're not gonna say what she was charged with. All right. Well, we know what she charged with. She charged with fraud, but forging documents and all that type of stuff, man. But yeah, so CPNs. Let's see real quick. I just want to look something up. CPN sauce. Look, so when you type in CPN sauce, right, you're gonna get a whole bunch of top CPN sauce scammers used to profit 100,000. You know, he spilled new sauce, CPN, like CPN method. You know, how does a CPN work?
What everybody got to know about CPNs is when you go try to do something with a CPN, you have your ID. And when they ask you for your ID, even though you have the social of a CPN, your ID and your fake social merges. What everybody
See? Hold on. CPN. Easy CPN. Look at this.
What's up, guys? It's Bobby, and today
See, I hate that everybody got these music in the background, man. I just want to find a video. Unlocking your CPN, get a
So a lot of people, they're like, how do you get a checking account with your CPN name? And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a tip right now, right? How to get a checking account in your CPN name. So a lot of people,
oh my God,
like,
come on.
Get a checking.
What is going on here? Nobody don't want to say, I just want to see a short little video of just so you guys can see how it works. Fast things to get approved.
What are the fastest things to get approved for with your brand new CP number, your credit profile number? First things you can get approved for fast is something like an apartment. All you need on your CP number is something like 2 AU trade lines. You might ask for the last 3 pay stubs. If your CP number is into public records, is looking good, then you straight, okay? That's all you need for an apartment. The second easiest thing to get approved for with your CP number has to be auto, man. If you got some 2 AU trades reporting on your CP, that's all you need. 10K limit or higher, right? 10 years plus, low utilization, and you straight. Gotten multiple people approved with their brand new CP with just adding 2 trades, 3 trades. All they need for that auto loan approval. Those are the 2 main things that you can get approved for right off.
Illegal, guys. It's illegal. Illegal. You gonna end up, you try to go get you if you know, like I said, there's people that do it correctly, right? They merge the stuff together and all of that stuff or whatever, right? But it's illegal, okay? The truth about CPN numbers. Look.
Using a CPN number to get any line of funding from a bank, including auto loans, mortgages, credit cards, funding. Anytime a bank asks for your social security number and you put any number besides your own personal social security number, you are now committing fraud. And usually when people give you CPNs, they're usually coming from children or deceased people who are no longer alive. So be very mindful when using a CPN, because you can find yourself in a lot of trouble because you're committing bank fraud as well as wire fraud.
This is legit. It's Edward verified. I wasn't really sure exactly where the content creator was going to go with this because the credit privacy number is a complete scam. But this content creator is spot on. If you ever use any other number that you may have purchased online or gotten from someone else as if it was your own social security number on official forms, you're committing fraud. So don't do it.
Using a CPN number.
Yep. Fraud. Guys is getting them CP. This is what's going on. People are messing up their own credit, right? Their credit is shot. So now they go to a hood dude, or they go to your scammer, you know, whatever. You know, you find scammer, like, yo, how can I can't even get an apartment, you know, because most apartment buildings or condos or whatever, like, they gonna check your credit. You know what I mean? For you to even get an apartment nowadays, most landlords are gonna check your credit. So, you know, people can't get up, you know, can't even get a place to stay because their credit is shot. So they go, oh, the scammer goes, yeah, I could get you a new number, whatever. And yeah, pretty much a new identity, right? And like I said, the only people that really get those is like witness protection, and there's other different stuff from the government that, you know, to hide your true identity. But that's through the government. That's not, you know, you finding that's not you finding a website and trying to purchase a number and get, like, no, like, but yeah, that's what's going on. People getting these numbers from your scammers and all of that stuff and trying to pretty much live a new life, you know, trying to start over, you know. But yeah, so anyway, if you didn't know what a CPN was, now you know. But overall, the cops, they did a great job, man. They did an awesome job. So I'm gonna definitely get officers a 5. And yeah, so I give the officers a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.